In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find XAUUSD in TradingView. For those of you eager to track gold prices against the US dollar in real time, TradingView offers a user-friendly platform that makes this process simple and efficient. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, accessing gold's live chart is just a few clicks away, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's start by opening up a TradingView chart. This will be your main workspace where you can analyze and monitor various financial instruments. Once you have the chart displayed, you'll want to direct your attention to the top left corner. Here, you'll find the current symbol name displayed prominently. It might already be set to something like a stock or another asset. This area is essential because it's your gateway to accessing different market instruments. By clicking on the symbol name, you'll open up a new search interface within TradingView. This is where you'll enter the ticker you're interested in, and for our purposes today, it's going to be XAUUSD. In the search bar that appears, go ahead and type XAUUSD. This is the ticker symbol for gold versus the US dollar, which is a primary vehicle for traders looking to speculate on or hedge against gold price movements. As you type, TradingView will display a list of relevant results. You might see different variations like XAUUSD or more descriptive results such as Gold Spot, US dollar, Oanda, XAUUSD. These listings can come from various exchanges and data providers, such as Oanda, which is commonly used for forex data. Choose the one that best suits your needs, but if you're unsure, picking a widely recognized one like Oanda is a good starting point, as it tends to provide reliable and up-to-date information. Once you have located the appropriate XAUUSD listing, click directly on it. Doing so will open the live chart for the gold dollar price right before your eyes. This chart is dynamic, providing real-time updates, which is vital for anyone looking to make informed trading decisions. You'll be able to utilize the chart's features to conduct technical analysis, review historical price movements, and stay ahead of market trends. And there you have it, a straightforward way to access the XAUUSD chart on TradingView. By following these steps, you'll have a solid foundation for tracking one of the most watched commodity pairs in the world. As you continue to explore TradingView, you'll find many tools and features that can further enhance your trading experience. Happy charting, and may your trading decisions yield positive results.